Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at word factory. Now, under word factory, we're going to be looking at synonyms, antonyms, homophones, and polysemic entries. And these are very important topics to study whenever you are planning to sit for WAEC or JAMB. So let's start with synonyms. Synonyms are words with similar meaning, or words that are near in meaning. Words like stop, halt. Stop means to stop an operation. Halt also means to stop something. So both of them are having meanings that are similar. Now we look at antonyms. Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. Now, when you look at words that are opposite or nearly opposite in meaning, then you're talking about antonyms. Now, homophones are words that sound alike, words that sound the same, but their meanings are different. Now, polysemic entries are words that have different meanings. You understand? Like when you say a bank, bank is where you go to deposit money, get money, and do business with. Now you also have river bank. So the bank for a bank as a financial institution and bank as a river bank or blood bank, they are all different. So we're going to be looking at these topics together. We'll get to know their meaning and how to use them whenever we are writing JAMB or WAEC. So let's look at synonym. A synonym or synonym, a word which has the meaning, same meaning as another, or words that have meanings that are near. Now we talk about stop and halt. We talk about go and proceed. Go, proceed, go, proceed. Stop, halt. Now, antonyms or an antonym or antonym was the definition, a word which is opposite in meaning to the other. Good, bad. It's either that something is good or it is bad. It's either that something is short or it is tall. So these are antonyms. Hot or cold. Hot or cold. Opposite. Now, homophones, words which sound alike but are different in meaning. Like when you say hair and hair, they sound alike but they have different meaning. Fair and fair. Your tea fair and fair. Something that is fair in complexion. Peace and peace. You understand? A piece of something and having peace. Peace of mind. Yeah, they have different meaning but they sound alike. Now, polysemic entries, words which have more than one meaning. Each bank, as I've given earlier, ball, the ball you play, football, and also party. Partying is also balling. You understand? Now, bridge, philosophy. Now, these words, these polysemic entries are actually identified by the contents. That's the words surrounding them. So when you say, we're going to be balling tonight. You understand? Now, when you look at the words surrounding that very polysemic entry, that is when you know the meaning of that word. So when you say river bank, because river is there and there's the bank, you know definitely it's not the financial institution. When you say blood bank, it has to be for the hospital, for medicine, for health. But when you say I want to go to the bank and cash my check, now we're talking about the financial institution. So it has to be in the context of where they are used. That's how you get to know the meaning of a polysemic entry. So these are very important topics that we are supposed to know in word factory. Because in JAMB, you're always going to see fill in the blank space with either the synonym, the antonym. So whenever you hear nearness in meaning, opposite in meaning, we are talking about synonyms and antonyms. And you should be able to use them to fill in the blank. So in subsequent classes, I'm going to be giving us lots and lots of examples of synonym and antonym. And you're supposed to pick them out, note them, use them as much as you can, so that anytime you see them in an examination, you'll be able to spot them and use them effectively. And that's how you move in order for you to get high score in either your JAMB or your WAEC. And that's how we're going to be going. Word factory, very, very important. Being able to pick out words and fill in the blank. Being able to choose synonym, antonym, nearness in meaning, opposite in meaning, homophones, and all that we've done today. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop it on the comment section. If you need special lessons, you're in Nigeria, hook up with my number. It's also in the description section. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be able to get them. Thank you. God bless you.